Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to do the configuration of the RepTool, the adaptation of the tool to your wishes and needs. Under the main menu point Config, you will find a comprehensive list which includes options to do your individual settings of the RepTool. Update of background lists. The background lists are the rep lists on the input fractions, technologies, output fractions, and the model classification of the RepTool. If these terms are new for you, please have a look at the video General What is the RepTool. Beside these rep lists, the background lists also include the translation of the menu words of the RepTool. When you get your RepTool installed, these background lists will be the last available ones at the time of your installation. You should update the background lists from time to time, especially if you have got information about new entries to the rep lists or new program versions. This information you will get by email information from the RepTool administration and with the news at our website. If you click the button Update Now, wait some time until you will get information that the process has been finished. Installed languages. You may decide with which language or languages you want to use the RepTool. The official language of the RepTool is English. Translations are done on behalf of the WE forum members using the tool. See the translations information at our website. If you want to use other languages than English, please ask us first if the language you want to use is up to date in translation. If you want to add any language, just choose it and press the Add button and wait a bit until data transfer is finished. Then you may choose the language you want to use in your WE system. Here you see quite some languages for your choice. If the translation is not available yet, you will remain with English, but you indicate that you would like the other language as soon as it is available. See the translations information on this again. If you do your changes, press the Submit button to take your language over to the database. Calculation model. The RepTool is available in two calculation models based on the European WE directives. Calculation model number 1 is already quite old, and in the meantime you should use the calculation model number 2, which is based on the WE directive from 2012. I would also recommend to click the checkbox for new reports allow only the selected model to fix this choice. You have to press the Submit button to take your choice over to the database. System-specific background lists. The option to define system-specific background lists for input and output fractions is a specific feature to give input or output fractions individual names or to provide a slimmed list of fractions. Please see the user manual system level for this. Legal disclaimer. As WE System or RepTool Access Administrator, you may enter any disclaimer. For example, all information included in this document is confidential based on agreement or similar. This text is added to all PDF and Excel exports of the RepTool. Optional features. Use of WE forum packages. For some WE output fractions, often sold to the metal trade, available information are limited. Therefore, the RepTool expert group collected information and created so-called WE forum packages to be used until individual information are available. It is up to you as WE System or RepTool Access Administrator to allow the use of those packages or not. If you like to allow the use of those packages, click the Use WE Forum Packages checkbox and press the Submit button. After this, press the Update Now button below With this, you will import the WF-Forum packages from the RepTool server, and they will be shown in the list of available packages. Additional or updated WF-Forum packages might be provided in the future, so you should use this Update Now button from time to time. Use of agent feature. The agent feature is provided for special cases like the WE system may work with regional contract partners whom we call the agent. The agent subcontracts operational treatment partners. Or the contract partner of the WE system is the headquarter of any treatment company. The treatment company has different plants at different locations, and a person from the headquarter will do the RepTool reports for the plants. In these cases, the agent as well the operational plants get RepTool access. As WE system or RepTool access administrator, you decide if you need this feature or not. If you want to use it, click the checkbox for Use Agent feature. Additionally, you may decide if data of subcontractors may get visible to the agents in general. For more information on the work with agents, please see the user manuals for the system level and for reporters. A video on the work with the agent feature may come in the future. You have to confirm your choices by using the Submit button. Use of mailing feature. It is possible to send report-related emails to your treatment partners. See envelopes at different pages of the RepTool. Here, for example, under Edit Report, or in the Overview, or under the Calculation of Results. If you want to use this feature, click the checkbox Use Mailing feature. And the field for generating a test email will appear. Enter your email address and press the Send button. If it does not work, please have a look into the user manual system level on possible reasons. If you don't need this feature, unclick the checkbox. If you click the checkbox Send Notification Mail on Change of Report Status, an automatic email will be sent from the user of the reporting company whenever he or she changes the status of a report. This may help the responsible person of your WE system or company to trace the process of work of reporting and, e.g., will initiate your control of the report. This feature needs the email address of the system user whom this email shall be sent. See menu point System Users under Administration. It is also quite beneficial if you enter also the email addresses for the users of your treatment partners, but that's not necessarily needed. The mailing feature contains a kind of self-learning mechanism which collects the email addresses. You may adapt the text to be shown and sent. You have to confirm changes by using the Submit button. Use File Upload. With clicking Use File Upload, you allow the uploading of attachments to RepTool reports. For example, any approvals, analysis reports or similar. If you do not want to allow to upload files, please unclick the checkbox Use File Upload and press the Submit button to confirm. If you use your own server for the RepTool, please have a look into the user manual system level on necessary steps. Use sampling results. The option Use Sampling Results comes from the time when target recycling and recovery rates for mixed WE from different WE categories with different target recycling and recovery rates were calculated. This is not necessary anymore. The menu option for sampling results has been hidden from the main menu for reports. You may reactivate this option by clicking the checkbox for Use Sampling Results. Be aware that the main feature to calculate target recycling and recovery rates is not applied at present, but you may insert any sampling results for your individual use. Download and upload of reports. Options to download and upload reports are foreseen for the case that a treatment operator works for 2 or more WE systems. If the input material is the same or very similar, a report might be used for both or several WE systems by downloading a finished report and to upload it at the other WE system. You, as the WE system or RepTool administrator, may decide about it if this option may be used under your RepTool access or not. This you do by clicking or unclicking the checkboxes. And of course, approving your choice by pressing the Submit button. Copy tasks content on copy previous. A task is a job handed over from a treatment partner to the next step treatment partner to provide the necessary RepTool information for the fraction delivered to him. Videos on the work with tasks are planned under for reporters. As the RepTool administrator, you may decide about it if task contents are copied with a report or not. In principle, a task is given for the delivery of a specific fraction in a definite time period, and the next step treatment partner approves with fulfilling the task that he has received the WE fraction and what he has done with it. So, copying the task content with copying the report is not correct in many cases. The other case may be that the treatment operator sends the same fraction for a long period to the same next step operator, and the fraction, all processes and results stay the same. In this case, copying the task content makes life easier. If you choose to copy the task contents always, you may have to delete critical task results manually and ask for new approving data from the next step operator. You have to confirm your choice by using the Submit button. Copy packages content on copy previous. A package is a dataset for a WE output fraction which may be used in different RepTool reports. Please see the videos on the possible work with packages under for reporters. As the RepTool administrator, you may decide about if package contents are copied with a report or not. In any case, a package content will not be copied if the package is expired. You have to confirm your choice by using the Submit button. Preserve, expand, collapse state of report overview. The option to collapse and expand the report overview is foreseen. Based on the presettings, the collapse expand status is preserved during the working session until the reporter logs out from the RepTool use. As the administrator, you may decide if the status is kept longer or not even for the working session. Check it out with your reports and decide about your preferences. You have to confirm your choice by using the Submit button. Sort output fractions. There are 2 options of sorting the output fractions in all choices for output fractions. The RepTool code or the material grouping done by the RepTool experts. As the RepTool administrator, you may decide about the default value. The sorting can be individually adjusted by the reporter when working on a report. If changing the presetting, you have to confirm your choice by using the Submit button. Report groups. If you want to structure your reports in any specific way, the RepTool provides the option to group reports into self-defined groups. As the RepTool administrator, you may define report groups, for example, final reports, test data, or data from the North region and data from the South region, etc. Your reporters under your RepTool administration will see an additional scroll-down selection for the groups of reports. You should give them an advice which reports to choose. You have to confirm your entries with the Submit button. Edit configuration and update. You may adapt your settings of the configuration at any time. What you shall do from time to time is to update the background lists, especially after new program versions or any information on the adaptation of the rep lists, and to update WE-Forum packages after information on new entries. There will come an option to choose individual V-form packages for use. I hope I could explain to you in a proper way the options of the configuration of the RepTool. If you have any questions, you may contact us via the contact feature of our website. Thank you and goodbye.